Hey everyone, Ben Croft here from Armory & Jones Service and Support. We're going to continue looking into CZone today, specifically how to do a manual override. This comes up when I get questions like, there's no power, how do I turn it on? So if we look at the modules to my right here, you can see these are all the main output interface modules that we're going to be dealing with. If I had an example scenario like the genset won't start, we find the generator module, and we can see here genset start and stop circuits are just here. If you reach under the cover where the plug goes in the bottom and pull out, it clips off easily. Then you'll see all these blade fuses. So if we line up genset start with the blade fuse, you can pull the blade fuse out, and there's actually a second set of slots. If we move it to the upper position, it will activate the genset start, and once the genset does its warm-up process, we'll hear it start up. There it goes, just as though you're using the control panel. You can then pull the blade fuse back out, return its normal position, and we've worked out that everything's working correctly. You can then do the same with the genset stop and stop the generator. Always important to remove the fuse and return it to its original location, and then fit the cover. If you'd like further explanation on that, consult your local Armory dealer. I'm sure they'll be happy to help. Keep an eye out for our next video, where we'll be looking into how to reboot the entire CZone system. Until next time, safe boating, and we'll see you on the water.